Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel! Our easy yummy recipe for today is Saludsod Turon. Saludsod pancake of Marinduque is a pancake made out of grated cassava, young coconut meat, and other flavorings of a typical pancake. Saludsod Turon, we also use grated cassava, but instead of using lengthwise slice of banana, the banana slices in a small cube pieces and uses as a fillings. Let's start making this super crispy and yummy saludsod turon. Add the salt to the toad grated cassava. This Thai banana will slice in small cube pieces. Then add about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, enough to cover the bananas. And have a good mix. Spread the seasoned grated cassava to the egg roll wrapper. Then add the sweetened Thai bananas or Saba. This will be a filling to the turon. Then add brown sugar and Macapuno coconut string. Then wrap. Then seal the end with a flour and water paste mixture. Do this with all the ingredients. I make 6 rolls of saludsod turon. Then fry the turon. Make it into batches so they have enough spaces in the pan. When your turon becomes crunchy, remove from the pan and fry your other turon. Then put in a strainer to drip excess oil while making caramel coating. Coat your spatula with oil so it will not coat with the caramelized sugar for easy washing the dishes. Then put back the fried saludsod turon to coat with caramel. Then put in a strainer to drip the excess oil for longer crunchy of these sweetened egg rolls. I suggest to grab these yummy and crispy sweetened egg rolls right away after cooking. So crunchy. Good. This is not your ordinary turon with cassava and slices of Saba. Yummy! Thanks for watching. Happy Monday!